Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Eze-Ana to be Rifte. Mommy Poma Kajuko. Abụ isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gbaa afa miri emi dokwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Lucifer is a manipulator and why you should avoid manipulators. Wee na-ekwu na o nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwere ike classify dịka ụmụ ekwensu. Yes. Ụmụ ekwensu bụ ha ga-soro mmụọ gbuo mmadụ, soro mmadụ juo na akwa. They manipulate you, they offend you, and they pretend na ha emejọrọ gị. Ha nwere ike imekata dị sorry si na ha dị sorry for offending you. Instead, they make you to believe no go the wrong. Meanwhile, no ha the wrong. Ha ga-egbu bọba n'ọhịa na-ajụ ka onye na-egbu. Manipulators. Nke a ihe eji mara Lucifer bụ manipulating. He will only manipulate you and you do what he wants you to do, but he will exaggerate himself. No brother will actual choice to take it or leave it. But in the right sense, he, Lucifer, manipulated you. Yeah, but the same thing that was you and manipulator. Ngwara no onye bụ na ha bụ Lucifer. Etu aka esi nwe manipulators na mmadụ. Iburu nwoke ịchọ ka ndụ gị ogologo, avoid manipulator. Ọ dị na nwoke, ọ dị na nwaanyị. But manipulators nwaanyị be very dangerous because ha ga-eme gị labor in vain. Ha ga-eme gị ịgba mbọ mana yet no thank you no very much. Ha ga-emejọ gị mana ha ga-eme ya in a way gị nwere onwe gị uwe onye emejọ ga-atọ ọnụọ yọbazie ayọ for forgiveness. Ha ga-eme gị ka olu uko n'ọgụ nwa wụzi the victim. Yes, ha ga-ekonye gị ya n'isi mana ọ ha nwa onye emejọ ọnụ kwesịrị ka ọ na-aya ayọ mana ọ ya ekon ya. These people can manipulate. These people can lie for Africa. These people are pathological liars. You know that? Yes. Ọ ga na-eme na ụdị no suggestion ka ọ suggest gị mana nke bụ isiokwu no manipulator. Avoid them. Come that. Lucifer, even in the Bible, enwebere ebe ọ bụ na ọ sịrị mmadụ mee nke a alụ ka ọ ga-atụrụ gị. Ihe a bụ ihe ndị anyị emetụ aka n'ụbọchị taa isiokwu anyị. But before I will dive into today's lecture, important announcements. Lecture I'm going to go, but you can see something. Important announcement bụ na our annual festival anyị mere yesterday bụ 16 September. Mana onye ọbụla bụ child of the temple ka nwekwara ohere throughout this year ime ihe o kwesịrị ime maka na annual festival. Echefukwara na festival anyị dị very special maka na ọ na September, na this festival, particular festival, this year festival, Kailel Foundation for place of worship of Chukwu Premier Henina. So all by compulsory, now only one of child of the temple can contribute his or her own quota. Thank you. Then of course on Chode Koala game or was on impact. About the Chorizo and I Jana one more than. He will kiss you like this time Abre barrier. This to go in the temple, Chuaja, and go for Kubiokunis, this way lie all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. I am a 3 category 3 years. We have massive testimonies. So I want to choose you and he gave me forward or 3 prayer requests. I get an altar. He makes a total donation to the account number. But see, Bason call on my ear, give only the agent and get me no man Hamadum. Then a temple, Chuaja to entities of powers, never Chuaja. Bukazi mesaraka na hamadum ke kwaje ndamus one network kwaja makana aja kalirogo. Now let's proceed. Elefuna number yenye nweta mbu 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871 na screen gig have numbers in dambo. Now let's dive into today's lecture. proper. Lucifer is a manipulator and why you should avoid manipulators. Ngwagi no onye obuna we manipulator bụ a child of Lucifer. Yes. Ihe na achịkọwara na enwere ejirimara the characteristics eji mara Lucifer is manipulating. Yes. And the one thing manipulators is so dangerous. Bụ ha ga manipulate you as in or this can marry him. And they can never be remorseful. Even when they are wrong. Ha ga-ekoasịa in a way that gị nwa na onwe gị emejọrọ ga-abụzi onye gara ayọ biko. They know how to exaggerate themselves. Ha ga-eme ha ga-apụtakwa ahụ. Ọ bụrụ ndị nke anyị ndị Delta asị na wa ga-eme wa ga-achị o. Wa ga-emekwa gị wa ga-achị. Yes, they will do you and turn it around and make you to start pleading or asking for mercy. Meanwhile, you are the victim. That is very dangerous people. Let me give you an example. He get you a man that who Lucifer. He got I want to study in the Bible the man. Lucifer, they are now okay. Garden of Eden, according to that allegorical story in the Bible. Or see, or where John wine, see. Onwere osisi bụrụ isi ọbụla n'ebe a so na-ata na nwaanyị wee kwuru trigger go nwaanyị manipulating or manipulate ụmụ nwaanyị wee saa n'ọnụ. Yes, no as hard to easily now except this one. Manipulators. Yes. Mgbe nwaanyị sasịrị n'ọnụ na o nwere nke asị ha tara o wee sị ya yeah, there you go. For manipulators, obido wee interpret wezie ihe nwaanyị ejisi ya tara na to isi enwa. Si ya na osisi ya na ọ bụ na ọ taa mkpụrụ osisi ya na ọ ga-adị wise dịka Chukwu na Chukwu achọrọ efugie obido blackmail. And eventually when the woman and her husband tara mkpụrụ osisi anwa mpiti mpi wee kwe ọzọrọ onwe that he only suggested. And ihe a bụ ihe o ji ekpewu mmadụ na mmụọ. Maka ndị na-asị why na Chukwu okike destroy Lucifer. O mere destroy ya because Lucifer is a manipulator. Lucifer will always argue that he, Lucifer, never forced you to do any evil. You only suggested. These manipulators feared them. If a manipulator na one run because he meant amimo, no thank you, no very much. In a modic idiom, Dabun did a yen doctor. Habun dig Maggie, you will be laboring in vain, and they keep telling you no more on Kimereme. They can never appreciate manipulators. They will never appreciate. You don't have one. I'm a living witness, I will tell you. You don't have one yet or at all. Makana menu mana. Also, where I brought a guarachu. Buddha's only an easy. She will always downplay it. One on what he email. Yes. Mano, on where the total or as no mail. O bro ya out of proportion. And dog are free a walk and you will teach we here. Can one over feel was a good. Meanwhile, on what he email. Manipulators. Iga for everybody chiche. Naibana as wire. Maybe they make up business. Hanago Cambe. Hanago Cambe. These people want Nago manipulators, they can forge stories, lies. Kana had any and where more for. They can lie for Africa. They can lie, they can fabricate things, they can fabricate stories, they can fabricate even dreams. Once they want to coerce you, they can even fabricate dreams. Because no one point what that in their interest. These people can sit down, fabricate dreams, and paint it in a way that if you look at it, you will take that dream. These people run they can never appreciate what they are doing. What they will be doing is try to make you, and they will always play victim card. And now they cry a lot. And the slightest thing, they will be crying. They will be crying. They cry a lot. So crying is one of the tricks they use to manipulate you. Even when they know that they have ulterior motive, small thing they can cry. And if they are crying, you will be looking at yourself. Is it not this person that offended me? How come? They will make you look victim. Yes. Let me tell you. I want to phone you. Ma, of more. More than you know why. More than you know why. You can't be a warrior. Don't marry this person. Don't marry from this family. Ne. No, I got a family centered. Ni here from Nanya Abuzu no beer. Bennia. Kaya Hobuna. No, got a family oriented. And a bogey focus of Bennia. It can go to war. It can even buy somebody to protect her family. Yeah, we hear reveal what people said. What even Alpha said. Yes. But this, my friend, wanted to follow what Alpha said. This is somebody in ego liberation. Alpha from 4 different places quote something. I blame him anyways. Or where one can see her. Okay, we have manipulators. Where one can see her. I would not can choke on Noya. Mana because they had the Maduku and also they have Faku. Whatever results near of many people. After work, they say, or where say they is my friend. Don't mind those Alpha that he don't believe in Alpha. Will begin to manipulate this, my friend, by telling him that he should not mind Alpha. That love she has for him supersede whatever Alpha or the mother will keep you. Before you know it, will be the Alpha. Share with crocodile tears, telling my friend how deep she loved him, promising him heaven on earth, that he will always be submissive, he can never go against his wish, and go make him promise. These people, manipulators, fear them or run. They manipulated this, my friend, to the extent that my friend began to even doubt what people said, advice people gave to him, began to even doubting the Alpha results. She kept assuring my friend that she will prove to him that love supersedes Alpha. You know, don't blame this, my friend. Manipulators are deadly. You know, Jesus said, Jesus no, according to that Bible story. Always here, I go. Why can't you turn this bread? Don't I? Probably hold it. I bet I fear more than they do. See, I get it. Go to the Bible. Now, she normally is near here. I don't want to hear me. Yes, they know manipulators. So don't call this, my friend, a fool. Manipulators, you never jam one. If you jam real manipulators, they will make you change your what you know. Even when your inner spirit, ceremonial, should be avoided. Mana, even the personal approach, it all gets where coin here, it all gets where manipulating. You begin to ask yourself, does it mean that Namona will sense spirit? A doubt, but by then, if you lose here, crocodile tears here, and a manipulative attitude. These people, they will sweet tongue you. Even their body language, they will use it to make you feel like a fool. They will make you feel like a fool. These people, and when they are not getting what they want, they can recruit so many people, directly or indirectly, even your friends, or people that will pretend to be your friend. Pray. Kachukwu okike zụọ gị ka mmụọ ị na-efe, mmụọ iso chi gị na ndị otu ọra mmụọ gị na-asụ zụọ gị n'oge ọnọdụ dị etu a. Because na ọ bụ n'oge that these people, manipulators, can coerce you, hypnotize you to the extent the organic in under influence of charm. Manipulative spirits, they work like charm. So every man, avoid them. Every one working, avoid one you want to a manipulator. They will plan your doom and nothing will happen. The same thing. If you are a manipulative man, avoid him. In fact, avoid any other person without manipulator. They can lie on top. In order to cover one lie, they will lie again. And they will always recruit like minds just to get what they want. Avoid them. Makandoge. I'm a living witness. And I can tell you, it's only your chi, your forces that will save you with this kind of people. If not, you can get bome. Hageme, baptasiko enemen. Pretenders, manipulators. They can even make mad friends and friends to go to war. Why they will be by the side. Can you say by you are doing and Kusia Mobile Chokawa family? Chat me on WhatsApp. Remember, they can even be swearing. He can even swear that over the here Neku Abrezio Kemo. Meanwhile, he only Kubas. Or use other swearing, or that how they will swear. In order to manipulate to believe in them. Be wise. Why do you want to accuse Monitor Kabarga family? Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na odi ihe siri mike. Ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya. N'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu be with you all. May you be protected. May you be favored. Go, shine, and dominate. Kemesian.